Greg's now showing us how to connect everything up. And my part of this is just to kind of show you some possibilities in what that means and what you can do. And keep in mind, this is just scratching the surface, right? So there is so much more that we're able to achieve. But for the sake of this, we're going to keep it very basic and, for people to use in any industry or work that they are doing. So first things first, we've got our Monday connected to monday.com. What does that mean? Maybe we want to know it's Monday morning, it was a long weekend, and we want to know what I've got due today. So we can actually go ahead and ask it a question of, and you can see I've pre-selected everything over here. What are my tasks for today? We pop that in over there, and then it will go ahead and weigh its options, maybe contemplate life a little bit. Cool, there we go. You've got 2 tasks due today. Tells me what's going on. Maybe I want to update them, right? So now I'll go and say, let's create an update. John call is done and meeting is set. And the webinar demo is done. I should hope so. We're here live today. There we go. So now we pop that in over there, picturing life. Hopefully it won't contemplate this time. There we go. It's creating updates. What this is great for is instead of having to go through all of your boards, having to think about, okay, what do I need to do today? Maybe you've got a couple of dashboards set up and you need to jump from one to the other. You can now simply come to your Claude workspace and say, hey, what do I have going on today and what do I need to get done? And the Claude will go and actually read all those boards for you so that you don't have to. Cool. But let's take it a step further. Maybe it's Monday morning, the boss is on the way from leave. She asked you for a report and you forgot because it's Monday, we got a lot on our plate. And now you quickly need to generate the report for your boss. She's 10 minutes out. She just left Seattle coffee or Starbucks. Sorry, I'm South African, so Starbucks coffee. So maybe we tell it, hey, give me the week report, please. There we go. This time it's pondering. So as you can see, what it's busy doing over there, it's giving you these quick responses so it can tell you exactly what it's busy with, what it's got going on, right? So good. The numbers match. So I can just rebuild and hand it over. There we go. Cool. So now it's gone ahead, and I'll just make this a little bit bigger, and generated your weekly operations report. And it's just in time because the boss just walked through the door. And we can quickly see an executive summary. I'll quickly make this one a bit bigger. We can quickly see an executive summary, the week at a glance, your task distribution, your team workload and capacity. We can see how they are utilized and they tasked by priority, by projects, this week's priorities, even meetings coming up, and even some recommendations of what we need to do to make sure that everybody is good to go. Pretty cool. But hey, Greg is so connected to Zoom. How can Zoom help me in this use case, right? We can go ahead, and there's 2 ways. I'm going to do a way where I'm going to call on a meeting, but there is also a world where this can be fully automated so that you don't need to do the step that I'm about to take. So we can go ahead and say, call the meeting for me, please, and maybe just give it the meeting title. There we go. And now it's going to go ahead and pull that meeting for me. Couple of things are going to happen. That's going to actually go and fetch that Zoom meeting for you. Here we go, right away. You're able to then watch it directly in here. As you guys can see, you got your transcript, your chapters, and it's pulled everything through. And what we can see on Monday's side now is if I make this side bigger, I can go to my meeting action items section, and I can see that it's gone ahead and created some tasks for me. It's assigned the relevant people automatically, set priorities and dates that were discussed in the call. So no more remembering what did we do at the stand-up meeting Monday morning? What are my next steps? What are the action items that I need to take place with? That all happens instantaneously right here with Claude.